Clearborough, North Dallas, 2020 Lamborghini Huracan full expel stealth wrap, aka matte PPF. This is paint protection, not vinyl. Paint protection reduce the amount of rock chips, self-heals on scuffing, scratching, and no waxing. We also threw a ceramic coating over this to keep this nice and hydrophobic for a certain amount of years. The years on this is 5. So let's take a walk around, look at our work. Keep in mind this was a gloss black paint job, still is underneath. So there's your gloss black, here's your stealth. So we'll just take a look at our work, and what we do is we make sure all these junctions, all this stuff is wrapped in. We make sure all these hood corners, everything all the way across is perfect. The hood is free from any marks. Bumper, all the sections. If we have a mark from adhesive stretching or mishandling of the film, it comes off and goes in the trash. We want this to perform as if it was paint and look as if it was paint from the factory. All this is all wrapped in around the windshield fully. So far we have no gloss paint showing whatsoever. Our fuel door fully wrapped in, and the quarter, top of the quarter here, fully wrapped in. All this fully wrapped in underneath, fully wrapped in. We did all these, I was a little hesitant because we can still see some gloss here. Instead of putting sections in there, the owner was like, just leave it. This is a tough piece here with all the splits. It goes in one, but those little pieces probably wouldn't be as durable in washing and getting pressure on them. And plus the heat from the motor could cause problems with wrinkling. So as we come along, you see everything's perfectly done. I mean, just everything's so nice. All levels of the bumper, diffuser, all the way down, everything is done. There's nothing been skipped on this car. This car over here, when I originally got that car, and it was a dealer install, and they skipped about 30 sections of the smaller pieces. Now that's what happens. You get a car with this many sections, they'll do the main body panels and skip little ones. Like they'll come down here and they'll skip all this. Every one of those pieces, each one gets a section. This door handle is 3 different sections. People will skip those. So there it is. There's the overall perfect install, 10-year guarantee. Installations, lifetime that you own the car, so your parts and labor are fully covered. Anything goes wrong. Clearborough, North Dallas is who we are. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com. Clearborough North Dallas at Gmail if you want to email us. And a good phone number, 214-414-3809, and cell 940-703-8301. I'm Brent, and I appreciate you guys watching our channel and liking us. Any questions, comments, let me know. Take care.